This is a quick guide to getting around in Simunomics. The first thing to know is that the game has a slightly different layout depending on the size of your browser. What we're looking at here is the wide layout. It puts the navigation menu on the left, which will be your main tool for getting around. If you're on a slightly smaller screen, you may see your navigation menu on the top instead. It has all the same options, we just positioned it differently to maximize the space for play. And if you're on a smaller screen still, like a mobile phone, then your menu will be tucked away behind this little icon. Again, all the same options, just more convenient for the screen you're playing on. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a couple more links. These are at the bottom of every page. This is the Help Center, very handy for new players. This is feedback. If you have a problem or a question, you can contact the developers. And these are the forums, good for chatting with other players, which you can also do in the chat window we saw above. And this is a link to settings and options, just another copy of what was in the menu. Now, these will pop open new windows, so just be aware it may pop under to another tab if you click on these. In addition to the menu, there are lots of embedded and hidden links for getting around. Our prime example is your company's status at the top. By clicking on these arrows, you can expand to see more information or contract to take up less space. Mobile works exactly the same way, just laid out differently. Inside the status header are some convenient hidden links. The most important ones are invoices in and out. This is how people send you something if they want you to buy it. Mail is how other players will communicate with you. Alerts is actually what I'm looking at now. It's system notifications. And the office is something special I want to show you. Your office is made to be a sort of manager's dashboard. It gives you an overview of what's going on. News, status about your company, information about other companies and how you rank, and some facts about the rest of the economy. Most of this information is available in greater detail elsewhere, but your office gives you a lot of info at a glance and some convenient links that you can learn over time. To finish up the rest of the page, the upper left has City Select. As a new player, you're limited to one city, but eventually you can expand to multiple ones. In the upper right is a box you don't have. These are gold and platinum level tools for people who have upgraded their account. And over on the left is Chat. By default, it's embedded, which means it updates as you go around the game. But if you get into conversation, you might prefer to switch to a overlay type of view, or even pop out a separate chat window. And that's it. You will learn more as you explore and build your company. I'm going to end by going to Options to switch myself over to the summer camp theme. And then I'm going to go back to Alerts, which is where I started this and possibly where you're seeing this video from. Good luck with your company, and welcome to Simunomics.